Hey, it's Alex again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw an angry bird. And that angry bird is going to be the boomerang bird. So, for the boomerang bird, you start out with a small line like that. And then a slanted line. It's a little bit skinnier. You bring it back up, connect it, and color it in. And that's the boomerang bird's eyebrow. And then you put an eye there, like that. And then what you do is you put that there, and then do that, and then separate it like that. And then you have to bring this up like that, and then do that. And then this goes like that. Color that in. Like that. And then you slightly go over. And you go like that. And then you can draw that circle of a body for all the angry birds. And you put that there. And sometimes you can do this. And then the top feathers, like that. Like that, and like that. And then for the tail feathers, like that. And then a really big one. Then a little bit smaller. Then back to the smallest size. And that's the boomerang bird from Angry Birds. If you want it to look like it's flying in the air, then you can put these lines right here, like that, and sometimes circles like that. And it looks like it's flying in the air. And so that's how you draw the boomerang bird from Angry Birds. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you whenever you draw. Goodbye for now. Oh, sorry. That was how to draw a boomerang bird from Angry Birds.